Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
National Vice President ke NPP uba Prestone Seng ulang makajing tao ya ka sarkar kadon kami ki MLA ke barang sudap Shah jin. Ya kani na kalyang uba Prestone ula keren bikilat patay kubor mentaka singi ka sautre ula bayar arajar arpulai. Shu ba Prestone ula ongru ba wat Lada ka Seng ka baki yang kam Shah iki benet yate aparlok na benta sarkar henry ka Kyndon kadon bikilat bandrung Shah kanu ka Seng ka baki Kwah.
Formation of government is not by the party alone. It is by the newly elected representative. You need to know that. As I said to you, there's a process where we need to follow.
But they are not
Otherwise,
independent.
sorry?
They are not independent. They belong to the party.
Whatever you say, this convention has been there, not only in Meghalaya, in different parts of India. It has been there. If the elected representative, though they belong from one party, they can even merge.
So is
There's
there
no
a
harm to
possibility?
that.
So there's a possibility of merging?
I don't say right now anything, but even constitutionally it is allowed for merging. And then again, even if their party says no, you cannot join the government A or B or C. But let me tell you one thing: if both of them are willing, the constitution is allowed. I've already told you very clearly, we are in majority, 32 plus, and of course we are reaching out to other political parties. It's not a question only UDP, it's not a question of HSP or other party, but I'm telling you, we are going to form a coalition government again.
So can we say this was a love scat during the election and now you've patched up again?
That you comment whatever you feel like, but I'm telling you, coalition government will be there and will provide stable government till the end of the term.
Our talks underway
I
with
think I've already told you, we are reaching out to so many political parties. Let me tell you one thing. Right now, we have not less than 32. And that, we will prove it because on the 7th, we are going to go for the swearing-in ceremony. And then we are also reaching out to other parties. I don't need to name right now, but we are reaching out to them also. We are in talk. Even this moment, we are in talk with every concerned political party. We will not go up to that extent. As I said to you, see, the state machinery is here. Will make sure that everything is controlled. Everything should be under total control, and I am very sure that I have already started now.
Absolute majority.
Sorry?
NPP has only 26.
Yes.
Do you think that this 2 plus 2 plus 2 will work? Will it be stable?
Yes.
Whether it will be a stable thing that go for UDP and NPP?
How will you ensure?
Let me
that
just
stable
tell you
government?
one thing. Last 5 years, we completed full term, and I assure you, we assure the people of the state that 23 up to 28 again, we are going to complete full term.
So yesterday the UDP chief, he had clear.
That is totally wrong.
How can you go with a party which is...
What proof do you want? What else? People, they know better. They knew it. And I'm telling you, be it in Purusla, be it in any other controversy, they went. And see, there is no question whether proof or no proof, but I think the constituencies, they know better than even you people from the press. It's